How can Jesus, as one man, take the punishment for all men? Shouldn't one life be equivalent for one life? Could Jesus have died in any other way? For example, if God let Jesus come into the world and then directly executed him. So,
Mhm.
a couple of questions in that one, but
Right. Two questions there. And I think that the first question would be quite right if Jesus were merely a human being. I don't think any mere human being could atone for the sins of mankind. And that's why the deity of Jesus is critical. This was a divine person who had died according to his human nature, and therefore his death can be of infinite value to atone for sin because of the divinity of his person. Now, the second question, I think there certainly God could have allowed Jesus to be killed in some other way, perhaps executed by beheading, say, or some other manner. But here I would agree with people like Thomas Aquinas and Hugo Grotius that God's choice of the passion and crucifixion of Christ was well motivated because of the moral influence that that death would have upon mankind in drawing people to faith in Christ. I think that the passion of Christ has had just an incredible influence upon mankind, and that therefore the contingent choice of this manner of death was very wise on God's part.